दंडवत प्रणाम। अभी वो क्लास में हूँ, मैं करूँ आधा घंटे के बाद। हाँ
Requesting everybody to please mute yourself. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ मृदङ्गब्रह्मरूपाय लावण्यं रसमाधुरे सहस्रगुणसंयुक्तं श्रीमृदङ्गाय नमो नमः। श्रीबलदेवाय नमो नमः। ॐ मृदङ्गब्रह्मरूपाय लावण्यं रसमाधुरे सहस्रगुणसंयुक्तं श्रीमृदङ्गाय नमो नमः। श्रीबलदेवाय ओम पितामह ब्रह्म रूपाय लावण्यं समाधुरे सहस्रगुण संयुक्तं श्री पितामहाय नमो नमः। श्री बलदेवाय नमो नमः। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे विशेषैश्वर्यवादी पाश्चात्य जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम हरे हरे। श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी की जय। श्री श्री गोविंद जी की जय। श्री गोपाल जी की जय। श्री गोपाल जी की जय। और लास्ट क्लास हरे कृष्णा। So today we are going to learn a beat known as fast beat. आज हम सीखेंगे fast beat. So first we will learn the mantra. The mantra is Khe Ti Tak Khe Khe Ta Khe Ti Tak Khe Khe Ta Khe Ti Tak Khe Khe Ta Khe Ti Tak Khe Khe Ta. Now we will divide this mantra into two parts. अभी हम इस मंत्र को दो भाग में डिवाइड करेंगे, बांटेंगे। पार्ट वन घे ती टक, पार्ट टू घे घे ता. Now let us see how to play the mantra one by one. Ghe is open sound on the big side. Ghe, ghe, ghe. Now T is open sound on the kinar. T, 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 T. Tak. Tak is, you can see, I hope Mridanga is visible, na Prabhu?
Yes, please go ahead.
So tak is a two-side beat. It is played on both sides. So here you can see my finger is on the shahi. So tak, 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 tak. And sorry, T is not on the kinar, T comes on the shahi. Sorry, by mistake. This is T, 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 T. So T is open, like closed. But it comes only single. Now thak, whereas if you see, thak will come together both sides of the shahi. T tak, T tak. Now this side will show you. T tak, T tak, T Ti, tak, ti, tak, ti, tak, ti, tak. Now the next part of the mantra. K is open. K is open on big side. K. Now please keep in mind, in the second part, K comes twice. So K again on the big side open. K, 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 K. Now Tha. Now Tha is open on the kira. This Tha is open. The first Tha which I showed you, Ge, Ti, Tak, Ti, that is T and that is closed. It is similar to the Tilakitaka Ti. Whereas Ta is open. Now I will play the first part of the mantra. Prabhu, is it visible?
Yes, yes, please go ahead. It's visible.
So first I will show you this side. A, tak, A, tak, A, tak, A, tak, A, tak. Now I will show you this side. How it looks like when you play. A, A, tak, A, tak, A, tak, A, tak, A, tak. Now the second part I will show you from this side first, big side. A, ta, A, ta, A, ta, A, ta. Now this side I will show you, small side. A, ta, A, ta, A, ta. Now once listen to the sound how it comes full, okay? Then I will show you both sides. First now we'll listen to the sound. Now I will show you right side. Just give me a second, I will turn. So now please have a look at the right side. Now I will show you the big side. Now big side is visible now?
Yes, visible.
Okay, one second. Till now, anyone has any doubts? You can ask. Till now, till the fast beat ka bowl I tried to explain you. Till then, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Prabhuji, any doubts till now?
Asking me something?
Yeah, till now, is there any doubts?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
The mantra that we are talking about now is the first mantra.
No, it's the third mantra. Not third, sorry, fourth. Till now what I thought. Till
The
now what I
pamphlet,
thought it's the fourth one.
the pamphlet you have given, I am trying to correlate there.
Which
Uh,
one?
the pamphlet that you have given us, the PDF file.
Now, with
Braj,
a couple
Braj,
requests, please refer to the class recordings and the recordings that is sent in the group. That PDF is good, but it is for those who want to learn detail.
okay.
Yes, any other questions? If no, okay. Anyone has any doubt regarding the beat?
Somebody is asking in the chat about the availability of the Mridanga after ordering, how many days it will take.
We can answer that later. We will answer that later. Anything related to the beat will be answered now. Okay, I will show the beat ball by ball again. Mantra, the whole mantra beat by beat. So the mantra is Ge ti tak, ge tha, ge ti tak, ge tha. Ge is GHE, ti tak, T is TE, T tak, TK, ge GHE, ta, TA. So here in this beat, the timing of tak is very important. First I will show the beat again. So K is on the big side open beat. K, this is K. Now T is on the shahi of the small side, and this is similar to the T that we learned in Telugu. T, 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 T. Now I will show you tuck from this side first. Now tuck is a two-side beat. Ta this side, ka this side, and it is played together. Ta, ta. But now this is individual actually. Now in the beat played together. Tuck, 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 tuck. Now I will show you the big side. Tuck, 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 tuck. Now the next part of the mantra, that is ge, ta. Ge, ta. Now I will show you from small side. Ge, ta. Now I will play the mantra first. Kindly listen to the sound. Then I will show you both sides how it looks from right, big and small side. So this mantra goes this way. Tak, ta. Tak, ta. Tak, ta. Now I will show you the small side how the mantra is played. Kindly notice. Kindly have a look. Ke, ke, ta, ke, ta, ke, ta, ke, ta, ta. Now I will show you the big side. Now I will play the whole mantra again. So, my humble request to all, please practice this mantra slowly. Now, once you get used to it, you can play it a bit fast like this. So this beat is used in all the fast kirtans. Once you're comfortable, you can play this beat. So this is the last class of the Mridanga course. And by humble request, practice all the beats till now what we have learned. Keep practicing, and if you have any doubts, you can post in the group. Any questions till now? Probably any questions?
Yeah, the chat question is there.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hi Krishna.
Prabhuji, whether all earlier classes I missed one of the classes. Videos, Prabhuji.
Yes, it is. It will be available in the playlist. The playlist
Prabhuji,
link is.
one more question I want to ask.
Ha.
Today I have seen in ISKCON Juhu one Mridanga, 4,800. I
Okay.
do not know any specifications. Can I take and practice on that, Prabhuji?
Yes, you can. Only thing is we have to practice.
Prabhuji?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Only thing we have to practice now. Practice.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, any other questions?
Yeah, the first question in the chat says, after ordering it from Mayapur, how many days it will take for us to get the Mridanga?
Kindly contact the same number from where you ordered. They will let you know. They may have sent the tracking link so you can check in that also. The tracking link might have been sent, you can check through that, or you can contact them. They will let you know if it's this, like how much time it will take.
And one more question is, please share PDF of mantra to be practiced. So which we'll be sharing anyways, okay?
That will be shared in the group.
Anybody has got any other question to ask? Prabhuji,
Prabhuji, if someone has not attended the class or attended irregularly, is there something written, maybe by Adish Prabhuji himself, of page 1 or 2 or 3 pages, that we can read and then try and emulate whatever the way he is doing, practice ourselves?
Prabhuji, the recordings are available in the group.
Okay,
The playlist, the recordings of the class are available. The playlist you can refer both.
okay.
In the recording, I
Thank,
have played the beat. In the playlist, the explanation is there in the class, so you can refer to that.
okay. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very
And
much.
if you have any doubts, you can ask in the group.
Yes,
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Kindly excuse me. Yeah, so my request to all of you is kindly practice. So starting when I also started learning, I am also still learning. Practicing hard is to start painting, and that will happen. But we should not stop. Can take a bit of rest and practice again. Your hand pains, that's a good sign. Your hand is becoming strong. And these beats you can play like almost many kirtans. All these beats, if you practice well, you can play many kirtans. And also, my humble suggestion is, if you are going to your nearby temple, please listen to the kirtan. Enjoy the, attend the kirtan, dance in the kirtan, and also like if possible, sit close to the devotee who's playing Mridanga. We can learn the beats, but like even if we learn the beats, accompanying in kirtan, it requires separate practice. And when you hear devotees playing, you will get idea how to use the same beat in kirtan. Like we can learn, but application is also equally important. My request is first you all practice, get comfortable with the beats. Once you are comfortable, you can try accompanying in kirtan slowly. At starting, you may find difficulty which beat to play, how to identify where to start. So those things you will learn when you listen to other devotees playing Mridanga. And like that will help you also because when you listen from first, like when you listen from others, you will be able to play better also. Like now also, like when I go to temple, I try to sit near the devotee who's playing Mridanga. I am also learning and we will learn together. So in the group you can ask your questions. But my first, but the request, please practice this beats properly, get hold of it. And you may be thinking that fast beat I taught you, is it only so much? You can go much faster also. But that will come only by practice. Starting it will look attractive to play fast. But we have to be careful about what we are playing, the clarity, and also what matra we are and how we are playing. Because like technique also is important when we play. Keep an eye on your fingering so that you can try to make out if something is like you can see the recording and practice. You can see the recording, start practicing, and then you can continue so that you can improve yourselves. And Mr. Prabhuji had told that by grace of Guru Maharaj, grace of senior devotees, grace of Srila Prabhupada, he was like, it would be so nice if in every class we take, every Gita class, classes that we take, ISKCON, Shri Radha Govinda Mandir, whatever the class, the online classes that we take, we start the class with a kirtan, it will be so nice, and we all play, like the teacher plays Mridanga. I too got attracted of Mridanga by listening to His Grace Ramkrishna Prabhu. In one of his class, he played Mridanga, and I asked Prabhu what is the instrument you are playing, and he said Mridanga. So that attracted me also. I hope you have got bit that like the interest to learn Mridanga. So keep playing, and even in your class, once you are comfortable, you can try to play kirtan. And my suggestion is, my request is, if you want reference kirtan, if you want to accompany a particular kirtan, like starting, please, once you're comfortable, you can play with proper kirtan. You can play proper kirtan in the background. His slow kirtan is there. His fast, like his speed kirtan, like little fast kirtan. So you can like fast means it's bit of medium, like medium to bit like above medium. His kirtan recordings are there.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
I wish kindly excuse me. I'm just having a bit of cold.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. There is a question in the chat.
Yes.
Can you unmute Harshita Patil? You're asking, can you show it once again? What to show, I'm not very sure.
Which beat? Today's beat or previous beat?
Yeah, Harshita Patil, can you please unmute and ask the question? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Harshita Patil.
Or in the chat also you can mention which beat you want to see.
And somebody is asking you to play Jai Radha Madhava once.
Okay. Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Jaya Radha Madhava, so this beat is proper tal.
Yeah, in the chat box there is a request to play the today's beat in a fast delay. Today's
Fast, okay. Yes, any other questions?
Yeah, there's a question. Can you say the beats by? Uh, can you say the beats?
Ge ti tak, ge ta, ge ta, ge ta. Ge ti tak, ge ta. Any other questions?
Yeah, no more questions. No questions. And one question is there. How do you end the kirtan?
Kirtan, for
Yeah.
now, just whatever beat, just add it. Now don't, please, like now don't, first practice these beats, then we will teach you that.
Okay.
So first practice these beats, then we will teach you that. So now request to all of you is please practice from like all the beats, get the beats, then we will check. We'll be we'll let you know about the next in the group. What is the next plan? Like how we are we going to proceed. So till then, please practice all the beats properly. Get thorough with the beats. Any doubts you can ask in the group. So you might thinking that this is the last class, so इसके बाद खत्म. No, you have to practice, and it's not that this class get over, so I will not answer any questions. I will answer in the group, and by humble request you post in the group so that suppose any other devotee has a similar question, they will get it. They will get the answer. They will get their question answered also. So that way it will become service to other devotees also. So they will also get to know if they like the answer if they have a similar doubt. And if you want, you can send me individually your recordings. What you practice, you can send me individually in the personal chat, and that I will check and give you the feedback. Try to give you the feedback. If there's any mistake, so you can check you can like once you practice, you can send me the beats, the beat recording in my personal chat. And if any doubts or any like doubts, please ask in the group. Recordings, please send me through personal chat so I can check, get it checked, like can check and give you the feedback. How is it? So any other questions?
No questions.
Then I think we can end for today. Hare Krishna. Vacha kalpasarupasya, vacha kalpasarupasya, कृपासिंधुभ्यश्च वैदानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, रामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Pranams.
Hare
Thanks
Krishna
for
Prabhu.
joining this
हरे
course.
कृष्ण धन्यवाद प्रभु।
Hare Krishna.